Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn them notifications on. We are back today and it's finally time to do the ploughing and sowing. We did actually start Monday, Thursday now, but this has been a long time coming really. We've been waiting around about a month to start doing this work, and the weather's really pushed us back. As everyone I think across the country knows, it has been an awful last 4 weeks really of weather. We've not been able to get on with anything. We've really had 2 weeks now where it's not been too bad, but we've had to wait a week for it to dry. We're on quite a wet farm here, I don't know whether I said before, but that sort of pushed us back a little bit, but now we finally started. I'd just like to say a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel. We hit 100 subscribers on the weekend, which is a massive achievement for me. When I started this, I never really thought I'd ever get above sort of 10, and them 10 being people I knew. So to get to 100, yeah, that's a massive achievement. I'd say a massive thank you to everyone. So I am ploughing on our Case MX120 today. I've got 5 furrow Kun plough behind. Quite a nice setup actually. This tractor just about handles this plough, to be honest. It's a little bit wet this year on top, so we got a little bit of surface slip. But power wise, it doesn't really struggle too much. And then we've got the Case Puma 155 on our drill combination. So we've got a Machio drill, no idea on the numbers, same with this plough. It's a 3 meter combination, which, yeah, it's quite a good drill, it does a good job. We're doing things a little bit differently this year than last year. Not really ideal at the moment. We are ploughing and sowing straight in the furrows behind. We're not leaving it turned over at all. Usually what we like to do is we plough today, come in with the subsoiler on it tomorrow, and then drill it the day after and have the power harrow working in front of the drill combination. Mark isn't in the field with me at the moment. He's on a field up the road that I finished ploughing this morning. He's just doing the headlands on that. So I'm just trying to get a little bit in front of him so he's not waiting on the headlands for me. Shouldn't be waiting too long, but he's bound to be waiting at some point because I can't quite keep enough ground turned over in front. So yeah, let's see some of the tractor working. So, just broken a shear pin. Right by the tree, usual thing really. It's just these, anyone that doesn't know, it's just these pins here. It's to stop like the boards and stuff bending, so just repair that. There we go, we're going again. Shear pin replaced. we are, guys. There's the ploughing video finished for today. We've just finished ploughing and drilling today. It's not because we finished, it's actually because we have been stopped by the rain. It started off with a light drizzle about 4 o'clock, and it's just got a little bit worse now. The ground is really getting greasy on top. I'm struggling to move with the plough, and Mark's bogging down a bit with the drill, and with it being dark as well, it makes it harder work. So we've decided to call it a day for today. So that is all for this video, guys. Probably gonna get this up at some point, don't know when. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.